Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video further in this way. Let's see what are we gonna make here. You have to get these leaves and then secure it over a pattern like this. You have to make a caterpillar in this manner. Cute, right? You can make the legs and all and decorate the scenery further in this way. Now here you have to make the eyes like this, and over a plastic cup you need to just make it in this manner and then just blow up. Your monster is gonna be ready. Now here using these dry leaves you have to make a tree like this and then decorate your scenery further with the help of the beads and all. Keep on proceeding with the help of these clays. You need to make the pretty little flowers in this manner, and then over a pot you need to keep these one and then do it in this way. This is yet amazing. Now here keep on proceeding. You have to get a clay, paste it in this manner. You have to make these beautiful flowers and then make the leaves in this way. Further you have to make the caterpillar, this ladybug, in this way, and this is gonna look yet amazing. Now here you have to get the leaves and then paste it in this way over it in this manner, and now you need to make it in this way. This is gonna look pretty. Now here over a bottle cap you need to just put it around in this way. And then using these sheets, black, yellow and white, you need to make these honeybees. Now here in this another video, we have to just take the balloon, blow them up, paste the eyes and then make it look damn adorable. Isn't it cool? Now here you have to get a sheet and then fold it up in this way. Further here you have to press them up gently with the help of your fingers and then convert it into a strawberry shaped fruit. Now here you have to just paste on the top leaves like this, and this is gonna look yet amazing. Now secure your sheets like this, make a packet out of it, and this is just cool. Now get a bow on the top. Isn't it amazing? Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to get a tissue and then just tie it up with the help of these ribbons and then get your butterflies ready. Now here you have to get a sheet, and then further here with the help of these bushes you need to make a hen. With the help of these peanut shells you need to make these worms crawl around. Further, over a plastic cup you need to make these expressions, these adorable cute bunny rabbits, and then with the help of these bottle caps you need to secure them up and make the rolls in this manner, and you can always play with it. Isn't it cool? Now here over a shell you need to get the clay and then make the shell on the top of it, make the patterns, and then your turtle tortoise is absolutely ready. Isn't it amazing? Now here using these sheets you need to make the interlocking patterns in this manner. With the help of Fevicol you need to paste it. Further here you have to cut them up in this shape, and this is gonna look yet amazing. Now here you get a shell inside the balloon, and then you need to blow the balloon up in this manner and then just keep it here. Further you need to make the ears, and your cute bunny rabbit is gonna be ready soon. Isn't it amazing? Thank you guys for watching our video.